Looking for top-notch window replacement in Washington, D.C.? Our expert team specializes in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. With our double-pane windows, you can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Our vinyl window installation Washington, D.C. services offer durability and style, perfect for any home or business. Our custom window solutions in D.C. cater to both residential and commercial needs. Whether you need residential window services or commercial window installation in Washington, D.C., we have the expertise to handle projects of any size. Our window replacement services in Washington, D.C. ensure your windows are always in top condition, providing peace of mind and security. For those seeking insulated glass windows in D.C., our window sealing services in Washington, D.C. provide the perfect solution. We also offer skylight installation in Washington, D.C., bringing natural light into your space. Our bay window installation Washington, D.C. adds elegance and charm to any room, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Regular window maintenance in Washington, D.C. is crucial for longevity and performance. Our window glass replacement services in D.C. ensure your windows remain clear and efficient. Storm window installation Washington, D.C. offers added protection against harsh weather, keeping your home safe and secure. Our window caulking services in Washington, D.C. prevent drafts and leaks, improving energy efficiency. We also provide window hardware installation in D.C., ensuring smooth operation and security. Our window screen installation in Washington, D.C. keeps pests out while allowing fresh air in, perfect for enjoying the D.C. breeze. Enhance your privacy and reduce glare with our window tinting services in Washington, D.C. Our window weatherproofing services in D.C. protect against the elements, ensuring your windows last for years. Accurate window measurement services in Washington, D.C. guarantee a perfect fit every time. Our window consultation services in Washington, D.C. help you choose the best options for your needs. With our window design services in D.C., you can customize your windows to match your style and preferences. We offer a comprehensive window installation warranty in Washington, D.C., providing peace of mind and assurance of quality. Choose our Washington, D.C. window replacement services for unmatched quality and expertise. Our energy-efficient windows in Washington, D.C. are designed to save you money and enhance comfort. Trust our double-pane windows in Washington, D.C. for superior insulation and noise reduction. Our vinyl window installation Washington, D.C. combines aesthetics with durability, perfect for any property. Explore our custom window solutions in D.C. for personalized designs that meet your specific requirements. Our residential window services in D.C. ensure your home is both beautiful and functional. For businesses, our commercial window installation Washington, D.C. offers professional solutions tailored to your needs. Our window replacement services in Washington, D.C. keep your windows in optimal condition, extending their lifespan. Trust our window frame installation in D.C. for sturdy and reliable support. Our insulated glass windows in D.C. provide excellent thermal performance, reducing energy costs. With our window sealing services in Washington, D.C., you can prevent air leaks and improve efficiency. Skylight installation in Washington, D.C. brightens your space with natural light, creating a welcoming atmosphere.